Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Organic Artisan Lab Corporation, and this is Liz Trakan once again. What do I have here? I've got all my soap making tools and ingredients here, right here with me. And what I'm going to do is just to show you or to refresh those students who have undergone a soap making workshop with me. I'm basically just sharing with you what my special project for today. Today I'm going to make a really special and economical skin lightening, or let's say skin whitening and brightening anti-acne soap bar. So I've got here the oils, the blended oils that I'll be using for this project, and my lye solution, distilled water, and caustic soda pearls. I've got my 2,500 gram soap mold here, a log mold, and of course a very basic tool, our stick blender. Okay, I know you're quite familiar with all this for those who have taken soap making course, and for those who've been doing soaps for years and years. And I've got all my actives here. Of course, you can always create something very unique and very basic, but I chose these ingredients carefully for the beneficial properties that I have in mind. So let's start with my first active. I'll be adding my first active, okay, onto my oils to disperse the powders fully. So I'm not just starting with the soap making, I'm just trying to disperse my actives. This is just going to take a little bit while. To fully disperse our actives onto the oils. So I hope you guys are doing great despite the situations we are in. Sorry guys, I can't talk that much because I'm trying to minimize the talking so that I don't cough because of asthma. So bear with me please. So right now I'm just dispersing our actives onto the oils. Okay, next is my another active. Here you go, already dissolved. So guys, I'm not doing a basic soap making class, okay? I'm just sharing you my project today. Okay, so it's time for us to add in our lye solution. Let me just wear my goggles. Okay, let's now go ahead and add our lye solution slowly, so it doesn't splatter on you. So be very careful for those who this is for the first timers who's watching this. Please be careful. So this is room temperature lye solution. As you can see, I'm not doing too much of the stick blending. Okay, you wanna make sure that you do the alternate method. So I do stick blending and manual stirring at the same time. And I try to stir it up and down, up and down. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in my extra oils. Okay, so I'm adding my extra oils. This is an extra emollient property for my special soap. And a natural humectant. This natural humectant will help my actives to be delivered to where it is intended to be. So for my students, for those attending my comprehensive personal care formulation setting program, you should understand what I'm saying, and you should know what could be my natural humectant here. Alright, so let me add the next one. This is another active that will also help with firmness of the soap. Where is it? Oh, there you go. Okay. It's a pretty tiny drop, that's why. And this is another skin brightening actives. Very good actives. EcoCert and Cosmos approved fruit extract that gives 40% skin brightening, and proven in vivo testing. Let's now add, lastly, our essential oils. See, that's massive amount, but very mild when you use it, when you use the soap. Yeah, there's still more there. One of the important ingredient in this formula is that one that is that pretty tiny drop of actives that I need for its antimicrobial properties. So what I'm doing now is just to completely disperse all these actives onto the soap batter. And just making sure that I have mixed the essential oil fully. Smells lovely. So I'm just waiting to have a slight or a light trace now. So I can pour it onto my log mold. So again, I'm just waiting for a light trace, light to medium trace, and then I'll go ahead and pour my soap batter onto my mold. Okay, put this down and to have some room. I'm almost done and ready to pour. Right now now I'm just making sure that I have blended the essential oil fully onto the soap batter. I now have here, if you can see that, I'm going to drizzle on top. I now have a light trace, which says that I can go ahead and pour my batter onto the mold. Okay, I'm just do some checking. If I have dispersed all the essential oils all throughout the soap batter, and then I'm going to pour now. Okay, so I think that's about it. Scrape and pour. Alright, so there you go. Alright, so pouring the batter now. Okay, there you go. If you can see that clearly. This is 2,500 gram batch I made in this mug mold. Just trying to scrape everything so I don't waste those ingredients in the soap. And we're done. So I'm gonna wait for 3 to 4 hours to unmold or demold, and I'll show you guys the cuts. Yeah, you heard me right, 3 hours, and I'm going to cut this. 3 to 4 hours, and I'm going to cut this. So, okay, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon, and I'll show you on the video, I'll show you the cuts once I've already finished it and demolded. Bye, thank you so much for watching.